Hello, everyone. Thank you all for coming. It is Trader Girl Tuesday. I'm so happy to see everyone. Yeah, let's just hop right into it. I know there's some delay, but hopefully it's not too bad. I'm gonna check it out. But yeah, we got 8 minutes left to opening bell, so I want to look at these charts and get it up and popping. Not too bad of a delay. Perfect. So, where are we? Obviously, we have to start on the daily. Anyone who follows me on, what is it? TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let me also let X know, Twitter, knows we've been targeting. I'll get into it. Just give me 1 second. Nickelodeon. Okay. Yes. So anyone who follows me on my social media platforms knows we've been targeting this daily civvy. And we got in there, so that's good to see. We got in there, what day was this? I think it was like last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. But you saw how it just wicked in there and closed below it, and that's when we started to get this choppy price action. So Trader Girl wanted to see it get back in there, put a body in there. So we did that overnight. We still have to wait for the close because it could just wick up in there. It took that buy side liquidity already and could just continue to and come back lower, but it's showing fruitfulness. Let's see about the calendar. See if there's any news worth taking notes of. Sorry, my computer is so slow. Okay, here we go. So we do have 10 a.m. news, both red and orange folder, so that's important, most definitely. So I wouldn't be surprised if charts or price action is a little stuck, waiting for that 10 a.m. drop. I am also going to screenshot this for my notes. Oh my goodness, I need to update my computer. Incorporate patience, but it's like active fugazi. I'm just trying to take a screenshot. All right. Okay, here we go. Just gonna take a quick. Bro. You know what? I think I clicked it way too many times. Yep, so now we have like 3 snipping tools open. Okay. So, screenshot for my notes. Copy. Paste. Okay. Okay, I also want to take a screenshot of this daily chart. Taking note that we did take the buy side liquidity. We respected this 1 hour volume imbalance, and we're back inside the higher time frame objective. The only next objective would be, because we already made it into the upper half of the quadrant, so the only next objective would be to, like I said, see a body stay in there. So we would need to see it close. If we see it close, we would need to see a retest to take the all-time highs, but I'm not picking tops yet. I'm just taking it day by day. We have 4 minutes before opening bell, so just a quick recap of yesterday. We this was my target. We got in there, came back, respected Monday's first presented fair value gaps. Look at those bodies, respecting the upper quadrant. And that's what you want to see if you are indeed bullish. And so we just took these highs. So you know how Trader Girl feels about taking any high or any low. It can have a retracement, that's kind of scripted. So for right now, I'm just going to clean up the charts a little bit. That's not salient anymore. Is this the first presented fair value gap? Yeah. So if we are going to give some retracement, I can see it pulling back into this 1 hour BISI. Let me measure this, get the 50% on there so we can know where the discount is. That's not too shabby. And I do see we have we do have a BISI underneath the discount, which is also good. I just, with everything going on with the world, I don't know if it'll pull back. I don't know how wicky it's going to be, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Consequential encroachment? No. Equilibrium. So I'm just going to, for completeness sake, note both of those and see what they do once they get there. Because if it looks like it's respecting this top one, then it's just going to leave the other one unfilled. However, if it just shoots past this, then that's our next objective, is the lower one. So just identifying the PD arrays, we have 2 minutes, and I haven't even gotten to the opening range gap. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see really quick. Current price is here. Where did we settle yesterday? So we settled here. So price, oh, look at that. Price is currently above the opening range gap. We have, oh, I love it when my bias matches up. Let's see if we're in the sweet spot. That means we can enter today. We're a little outside of the sweet spot, but not by too much. I don't know. It might show fruitful. Like, I might, let me gear up just in case. Let me gear up just in case. Just in case. Give me a second. I'm just loading. Loading up. Just in case I gotta pull the trigger. Oop, opening bell, guys. Come on. Where this price? Okay. Okay, so now all we have to do is wait for the first presented fair value gap. See if it's going to give us at least 50%. Maybe my low-hanging fruit will be in this 1 hour BISI. So let me screenshot this for completeness sake. For my notes, I mean. Because the opening range gap is outside of our sweet spot, we could just pivot back to our overall objective, which would be to go higher in this daily SIBI. So let's drop down to the 1 minute. Well, first let me check out the 15 minute. 15 minute, we could be reacting off of this SIBI to push us lower. I love it. We also have this higher SIBI up here that it may want to wick into before continuing lower, and we can't get too excited. Like I said, we have that news coming out at 10. So we've already played up in here before, closing retest. So if it shoots past this, these two SIBIs, then obviously we're not going down for the first 30 minutes. But maybe we can respect it and send price lower. It is coupled with a 5-minute. I do see some minor sell side liquidity here. We just swept this. Hopefully we can get a drop down so we can get a fair value gap to take us lower. How low can you go? Can you go down low? Waiting for a first presented fair value gap. I do love the rejection so far. Waiting for a close. Keeping my eye on the higher time frame. Also, we see that we have reacted from this one. We had a market structure shift back up again. So it's looking like it could do it. It can do it at least till here. Let's see how far that is. We have to wait for the first presented fair value gap. But yeah, oh my goodness, that's 73 handles. Yeah. I might have to give me a little piece of that. Wait a minute. Don't go on without me, Brody. I'm trying to be patient and wait for the first presented fair value gap. But just imagine if this was our entry off of the 5-minute and the 15-minute SIBI. That's already beautiful. That could have been a boom, done and done right there. But trying to be patient, follow the rules. I've been doing really well for June. I haven't broken any rules. So that's good. It also keeps me sitting, It also keeps me sitting on my hands though, but that's okay. Gives me patience, helps me fix my FOMO. So we did just take out these two lows. We're gonna check in with our sisters really quick. Ooh, they took a high. Are they gonna drop lower? Dow looks like he just pushed higher. We took a high too. It's just not giving us much. We have no confluence. It looks like SPX took a low first. Didn't even take buy side. What is Dow doing? I mean, DXY. DXY look chopped. I don't know, guys. I'm not liking the confluence or the lack thereof. Oh, wait. This is Dow. I mean, DXY. DXY looks like it's going higher. So if that's going higher, that means we can go lower. But the fact that my sister's not giving confluence, I don't know. Oh, and look at that. We're back inside of this 5-minute. So, see, I guess patience pays off, huh? That could have been another entry though. High key. Stop loss up here. Oh yeah, this is not trade advice. Don't. Whatever, all the disclaimers. So it looks like we're retesting. We got to close outside of this SIBI. It looks like we're retesting it now. I wanted to see it keep going lower. I don't even think we've created a first presented fair value gap yet. Nope. It's tight. It's tight. So if it does go up, if it's going to start going up, then we would need to see a close above, retest to take out this high. But remember, we do have this higher SIBI too. So we have two on top of each other. And I don't know if this is going to be a breakaway gap or not. So we have to give it time to cook. We have 30 minutes with the rules. So time will tell. Let me read the tape. We keep rejecting that consequential encroachment. That's cool. That's cool. I want to see it displaced. But like I said, we did just take these lows. I told you, any low you can expect. Look, this drop down took out this low, these lows, that low. Actually, it didn't take out this low. Made relatively equal lows. I want to see it reject this and come down. If it doesn't give it to me, because I guess technically the opening range gap is outside of our sweet spot. So, oh, I didn't even notice that. We are inside of this 1 hour SIBI up here too. It might not even get down here, which I'm surprised with everything going on. I thought that maybe it would see dollar go lower, but maybe that's just indication for a rally. So it looks like it may be. This is so high in price though. That's what I don't like, but can't force the market to give you a discount. At least fair value. What's up? Give me a fair value. But look at how the bodies are respecting this 1 hour. I don't know. It will take this 15-minute SIBI, these two, to push it outside of that, to go lower, which, you know, I would love to see. We still haven't gotten a first presented fair value gap yet, so this is our first hurdle, obstacle. Still rejecting. I don't even know why I got excited when I know news is coming. Bodies respecting. Still no for first presented fair value gap. What are our sisters doing? Dang, that was pushing higher. It hasn't even taken a low. I guess it took this one. Barely. So SPX just took its high, took its sell side first, then buy side. We took buy side and then sell side. Uh-oh, here we go. We might get a first presented fair value gap. We respected it. Let's see what the higher time frame talking. It's just wicking in there, piercing it. So we have to get through this, but also notice how this blue is the 1 hour BISI. Look at the bodies closing above it in the upper quadrant. That's what you want to see if you're bullish, which technically we are bullish overall. I just thought in the first 30 minutes, look, let me show you the regular trading hours. I just thought, in the first 30 minutes, we would want to fill in some of this gap right here. Especially after taking buy side. I mean, it only makes sense. But that's why we read the tape. See if it's going to do it. Because overall, we want to see it get up into this daily upper quadrant of this daily SIBI. I just didn't think it was going to do it. So early, so soon, I thought maybe it'll wait for the 10 a.m. news. So it hasn't even gave a first presented fair value gap yet, bro. Whatever. $20 minutes, 10 minutes has passed. And we are working it. We are working this 5-minute SIBI coupled with the 15-minute SIBI. It looks like it's pulling above. And it pulled above. Okay, if we get a close, you know what that means. Close, retest. Push it higher. Check out those two highs. The first objective would be here, because we still have to get past this second SIBI. Still don't gotta close high key. It looks like this candle might close it though. It's a little chilly. I'm not going to enter off of it. I'm following my rules, but that would have been a cute little entry. So we got to close above. We are now inside of this roadblock for these highs. Yeah. Inside this SIBI. That's the last line of defense right there for the sells, that is. If you're bullish, you're good right now. That's what you want to see. Oh, looks like we got a first presented fair value gap. Where is that? Where is that? Everybody tell me where is that? Where is that? Found it. Found it. We got a first presented fair value gap. Sorry, y'all, it's the coffee. It get me geeked. First presented fair value gap. Okay, so the first presented fair value gap has given way. Awesome. We have traded above, not yet closed on the 5 minute, but we have closed on the 1 minute, retested it, and now it looks like it's pushing higher into this SIBI, coupled with a 15-minute SIBI. I wonder how, if that was somebody's entry, it would have been wait for the close, which happened on this candle, retest. So about 2 handles from the close. Oops, wait, let me see. 5 minute. Oh, okay. If we're trying to take out this high, that would have been about 34 handles. Not as much as my target would have been if it would have just filled the opening range gap. But I haven't given up. It has 15 more minutes. If it wants to fill it, it could respect this. Let me put it for completeness sake. Like we said, the second 15-minute BISI, it's obviously not a breakaway gap because we got some wickiness inside. Ooh, wait. Is it closed? Oh, not yet. If it closes underneath the first presented fair value gap, then we can enter off of it and take it lower. Am I gonna do it? I might do it. Ooh, but if it do that, that's not what we want. We want to, if it goes higher, that means it used it as an entry to take it higher. And so if it does that, then like the opening range gap is out for me. Like if it respects it like that, look at that. Institutional order flow entry drill. That shows mad respect. And you have to remember this 1 hour, wait, is this the 1 hour or 15 minute? Yeah, okay, 15 minute. This is the 15-minute SIBI too, that it respected. Nasty. Consequential encroachment. I don't know, like, that was too much respect for me. Like, that was too much respect for me. Like, if it closes, yeah, nah. That was entry. That was buy entry for sure. Yeah. Because it was looking really cute. Like, I thought it was going to, like, bleed through it, close. I was going to pop it, take it lower. But no, when it did that right there told me everything. Yup. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. So it pushed up in there. Did we close that 15-minute? About to. A little bit away from the top. Yeah. Let's see what the sisters are doing. Dow just been pushing higher, like no remorse. No remorse. SPX pushing higher too. Yep, so I'm confident Dow DXY. DXY looks like it's going. There's no confluence. But at least the sister pairs are on the same page. Let's see where we at now. We have 13 minutes left. That was kind of cute though with the institutional order flow entry drill. Look at that. Pew, pierced it. That was cute. To take it higher. Okay, I see you buys. I see you buy side. Yeah. Well, I'm going to screenshot this because, again, the opening range gap was outside of our sweet spot, so that kind of reinforces the rules. I thought because it was only outside of our sweet spot by like 12 handles, like I thought maybe it'll give us some leeway, but tis is. Good thing I didn't enter. This was a lesson for me to reinforce the rules for me. Because I was going to do it. Y'all heard me. I was going to do it. Good thing I didn't. No harm, no foul. We're spending a lot of time in this 15-minute SIBI. So, I don't know. Higher prices might be in the works. So we can close above to take out that next high. That was cute. Then look at the respect. Look at the bodies. You know what I just thought about? What if they're waiting till 10 o'clock to send it lower? I thought it was the flip. I thought maybe it will, retrace first to send price higher at 10 o'clock. What if they're taking buy side to send it lower at 10 o'clock? Damn. I mean, time will tell. Because all this underneath, look, scrumdiddlyumptious. If it was me and I was the market maker after we've been bullish for so long, or from yesterday, and we took buy side, like, of course I want to take some sell side. But I'm not the market maker. I can see them wanting to continue to take it higher. I mean, they have this PD array, bodies respecting it, so they could. But I just had that euphoria. Wait. We back underneath. Wait a minute. We back underneath. We still got 10 minutes, y'all. Should I do it? I might do it. If it gives me entry. Should I wait for the close? That's what the rules say. You gotta wait for the close. Let me not be too anxious. We gotta wait for the close retest. Yep. Close retest. Oops. Let me get ready just in case. Because it's looking like it might do it. I hope it's not a fake out. But if it is, we're just gonna protect ourselves with a stop loss. Still haven't got a close. We back in it though. It looks like it's respecting that consequential encroachment. See, that's why you can't be anxious. You gotta follow the rules. And we have not gotten a close yet, but it looks so cute. We shall see. Hope is coming back. Quit playing with me, Naz. Quit playing with me, Naz. It could just be a re-entry for the buys. But if it closes outside of it and retest, I might just pop it. Because it did just take all that sell side. And what if that thinking was correct, waiting for 10 a.m. to drop it? Boom! You know how Mr. Beast, drop them. That'll be exciting. I still need to wait for a close though, but I would love to see it. Okay, okay. We gearing up. Do we got it? We got the close, y'all. Waiting for a retest. Don't do it. Don't go on without me. I might not get that retest. Come on. We got the close. That's good. Ooh, it's looking heavy. It's looking heavy. Might not get that retest after all. That's okay. That's okay. I would love to see it with you guys though, if it can, pull down lower. That'll be cute. And then we got to see it together. Oh, we might get that retest after. Oh, okay, pop it. Popped him. Let's see now. As long as it doesn't close back inside of the first presented fair value gap, then we should be fine. We want to see it stay heavy and especially respect the lower consequential encroachment. Of the first presented fair value gap. So we shall see. Stop loss, TP, set. Now we just gotta let it ride. Let it ride all night. We got 7 minutes though, y'all. I mean, we've seen it, do a lot of action in like 2 minutes. Remember that one time, y'all? So I don't know. It could make it. It could make it at least a little bit. I don't know. But I know that I'm only going to give it till that news drop, honestly. Because that news drop could, protect yourself. Protect yourself. Don't wreck yourself. Let me see. We are retesting the bottom of that first presented fair value gap. Also retesting the lower 15-minute SIBI. So I really like how it wicked up in here, this higher 15-minute SIBI, and didn't even close above this 15-minute SIBI. So that's good for lower prices, indication for lower prices. Tells me that it possibly was taking, buy side. Let me see what our sisters are doing. Okay, finally, Dow. It took its buy side too. It looks like it wants to go lower. SPX doing the same. DXY, is it still pushing higher? Okay, so I love how it keeps closing underneath. Oops. The first presented fair value gap. That's cool. It's just wicking in there. And this gives me more confluence or confirmation to be patient last time. Like if you saw that kind of mini crash out, I was like, oh no, it's gonna go on without me. It's gonna go on without me. That type of FOMO is unwarranted, obviously, like it gave how many times that I could have 1, 2, 3, gave me 3 times before. So there's not even a need to crash out. There's not even a need to have FOMO, like just be patient, follow the rules. In my head, that'll build consistency. We shall see. So still waiting for the fall off though. Still waiting for the fall off. We ain't even got the fall off yet. And it's trading back up in here. Well, gotta be patient. I'm not surprised it's probably holding price. I'm actually kind of nervous because it could be holding price for the 10 a.m. news, or which preferably I want to see the at least to here. Like, I like these. I like those lows. It's not quite 50%. Let me see. Regular trading hours. Yeah, 50% will be like around here. So, but you have to get past this speed bump though to get to 50%. And I ain't got the time. I might even take it if it drops down this low. Let me see. What's the risk to reward? About 40 handles. 50 handles. If it can get past this one, this 1 hour Civi, then it can definitely take out these lows. That'll be cute. That'll be cool. So it looks like what we got. The body's respecting 2 minutes till that man speak. I think it's Powell. Yeah. Till that man testify. Let him testify. That's gonna be really interesting to see what it's gonna do when he drop bomb. Ooh, let me not say that. Awkward. When he drop his speech. That's what he's gonna say. But I do want to just make note of those 15-minute lows because I think those are cute. I'm gonna make it green for the finish line. My finish line. I'm loving it. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. Boom, boom. Uh-oh. Don't get too excited because news is about to drop in 45 seconds. But I mean, as of so far, like, I like the respect to the first present to fair value gap. It looks like it's trying to fall off. So that's cool. We did make our way back into this 1 hour BISI, the one that it did respect last time with the bodies. So we would need to get out of this, retest to continue lower. We would need to close because it could just be setting up for the 10 a.m. news so it could go higher. And we in this consequential, the upper quadrant of the 1 hour. So is we gonna see in 1 second. Whew. Whipsaw. Dang. I thought it would be more dynamic. Okay. Well, that's all I got for you guys. We kind of low-key didn't go anywhere. Let me do a recap before I leave. I mean, look, it's just been okay. So we opened at 9:30. I guess we did go higher. We took that high into that 15-minute Cibi, came down. Okay, so let's do a recap. So it looks like it's still wanting to respect this 1 hour BISI. If it does, next TP will be here. Obviously, we want to see it. Overall objective is to get a body up in the upper quadrant if we're truly bullish. I thought, honestly, I was a kind of a letdown with that Powell testimony. I was thinking it was going to do some amazing, like either way, like higher or lower. But anyway, so let's do a recap. 9:30 opening bell. We went up, took buy side, came down, took sell side. Obviously, after sell side, we go higher into these 15-minute Cibis that low key still respecting. We haven't had a body close yet, but it's been 30 minutes, 32 minutes. I thought it was gonna go lower, especially after taking all this buy sign, to at least retrace into like here and here, maybe here. That may be too much to ask, but at least the here. Like, but if not, then obviously it's gonna respect this upper 1 hour VISI. It's still early. Trader Girl gotta go. I don't want to go because look, that's looking beautiful. Look at that respect. But it looks like it's just like going back and forth, back and forth. But I would love to see it. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Stay tuned to my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that good stuff. Cause it may just be too early. That typically happens. But if it doesn't go lower, obviously these are the next high, the next target. But man, that would have been so cool to be here with you all to see it hit this. I gotta walk away, y'all. I gotta walk away. Well, I mean, I still had a good time. I hope you all had a good time. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. Obviously, I drop. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. I drop AM analysis every morning. Yeah, I mean, that's all I got for you all. Come back next week. Stay tuned for more TGT Trader Girl Tuesday. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I'm liking it, but I can't say I'm too excited because we're just right back where we were. Like, literally, we right back where we started. So, who knows? I'll keep y'all posted though. Thank you for tuning in. I had such a great time. I hope you all did something, learned something as well. Stay safe. Happy trading.